So the next thing I've got to fix is this window lock. So this is in the rear behind the bathroom. And basically what happened here, this came to me from the factory this way. Whoever put this together, they just screwed it on too tight. And we've been waiting for a part for this all summer. First they sent one latch that was completely incorrect. I don't know what it was for. And now we have the right one. So I'm going to change this out. The dealer said they would do it for us, but basically we've been stalled because renters caused damage to the van. It's been stuck in Montana for 2 months. So I said, look, let me pick it up so you guys don't lose it. They said, we agree. We probably will lose it. So what's interesting is Winnebago demanded we send the broken piece back, but here's what that looks like. You can see they just cranked it down and broke it. So here's the new replacement from Winnebago. So let's get this on there. All right, so it went on like this. They did not send screws. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go snug. I'm not going to hand tighten it. I'm not going to crank on it. We're just going to do just enough to keep it in there. Nothing fancy. Boom. Locks. Alright, so that's easy enough. I don't know, whoever maybe put this in, maybe they were working on a Monday morning. Just weren't having a good day. Easy. So that's done. Gotta return this to Winnebago, and that's that fix.